And there you go, I did unplug AC adapter connected direct, and so once I remove all the styrus, all the packaging inside, and then now I've already turned it on, and then I need to get the language and then press start. Okay, just once you start it, it will appear the HP brand itself, and then next the welcome notification, and then you have to select in which language you prepared, and then you click the start. In just a few moments. Okay, and there you go. As you can see, it has a white body display. It's a magnesium plastic on it, and it has mentioned in the lower part, it has the 70-degree angle display that you can switch light down or up, and it has a touch logo, so it means it's a touch screen, full touch screen. It has a IPS display. It's a full HD. It's 1920 by 720p, and then it's an Android display, and it has a DTS Sound Plus, and it's powered by NVIDIA TEGRA 4 processor. So there you go, installing application. It has a note, please wait while installing. Okay, so on the bottom up of our HP Slate 21, there's a camera right there with a microphone on top, and it has a light sensor over there. And then okay, let's select network, Wi-Fi. Searching for Wi-Fi networks. Okay, then I got my Wi-Fi connections. There we go. So there we go. That's hard. Okay. So it mentions next to it is Google. Of course, it's powered by Android, and it's questions: do you have a Google account? If you want to use any Google Gmail, answer yes. If it's no, no. Then now let's click no. Never lose the stuff again. Okay, get an account. What's your first name? I'm going to type in my friend's name because I purchased this from him. Daniel. Okay, done. Email. Hold on.